Oh man, that was a rough drive. I think I broke the muffler in Dad's car. David, Zach, come here. Here, let me lift up this trunk. So you can kind of see in there, and then now you can see under the car and the light. I broke his muffler. Yeah, Dad,
It's all your fault, man.
I was nothing. I was just. Don't tell me, man. We gotta get a new muffler.
We gotta get a new muffler. Broken muffler. Shh, Dad's not home yet. Dad's not home yet. We're going right now. Out of this door. Where's on the door there? That is our sick cat. We're getting on the door, dude.
Alrighty, so hello. Yes, I need to order some more parts. Yeah, that'll be good. Thank you. Can I help you?
Yes, you can. My brother here broke my dad's muffler.
Yeah.
Sorry about it. But I'm sweating bullets. Really? So, show us your best muffler right now.
The mufflers are right over here by these little things. I think they're hinges.
You're pretty quiet. I like those. Really? I see that. That is a muffler.
Very.
Can I?
Show us how loud it is.
You didn't even put it on a car. That was. If I like wipe it off real quick. It's very.
Can you drop the muffler and just to see how tough it is?
It turns to jello when it comes in contact with the ground. That's your best muffler. Show me. What else you got?
Does it sound different?
Can you drop it?
It might.
We need something that'll last. This is our third one.
Something that clank.
Something that when you drop it, it goes clang.
Alright.
Random one to try.
How about this one?
No, here, let me get that. Really quiet. What else you got?
What's that one over there?
Yeah, that one.
Big one.
The really big one. That one. Just let her drop it. Just drop it. That's more like it right there. Take that one.
How much does it cost?
Yeah. I don't know. Let me check the catalog.
Alright, this is a hole. Give me your money. Okay, drop your wallets. Drop your wallets. I'm a child. I don't have a wallet. I don't have a wallet either. If you do that, looks like you're.
Your wallet takes jello too.
Just as good as a muffler.
No.